You all to YouTube channel Learn Maths with Fun @NAS #Agam. So today we are going to discuss about surface area. Before studying about surface area of different figures, different solids, we will study about some basic formulas which will be used in this. Okay, so let's begin with area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So you have studied in lower classes the area of rectangle is a figure like this, whose this side is length and this side is breadth, and its opposite sides are equal. So area is length multiplied by breadth. Next is area of square. So square is a figure whose all sides are equal. So if this side is A, then these all sides are also A. So area of square is side multiplied by side, that is A multiplied by A. And third, we will need about the circumference of a circle. We know circumference of a circle is, in circular figures we will study about circumference. In a figure that is made up of line segments, we will study about perimeter, right? So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, I hope you will already know about these formulas. So let's go through with our topic, that is surface area. So what is the surface area of a cuboid? Surface area of cuboid. In surface area of cuboid, we will study about two types of surface area. First is total surface area, that is TSA, total surface area. And second one is we will study about LSA, that is lateral surface area. In the figure that is made up of line segment, okay, that is made up of line segment, we will study about lateral surface area, okay, and the figure that is made up of curved or arc, in that we will study about curved surface area. Okay, so what about the total surface area of a cuboid? All of you know that a cuboid is in this form, right? And cuboid has all sides as a rectangular shape, right? This, it has a particular height, that is h over here. Okay, so what is the total surface area of cuboid? So as we know, we have rectangles and we have total 6 faces in it. Okay, so the formula for total surface area is 2 times length into breadth, means to say the base part and the top part. Okay, the base part and the top part. Second one is your left and right hand side is 2BH, left and right hand side, and your remaining part, that is 2HL, is your this part, this one. Okay, it has a particular height. So we have a formula for total surface area of cuboid as 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. It is also written as 2 as common and LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, now what is lateral surface area? So lateral surface area is the area in which the top and the bottom part is not included. That means these two parts are excluded. So अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ बच्चे यहाँ पे कि if the top and the bottom part is excluded, that means जो हमारे पास LB वाला पार्ट है, ठीक है, वो हम exclude कर देंगे LB वाला. तो this part from the total surface area is excluded. So we are left with 2BH and HL. So this is the lateral surface area of cuboid, and if we take 2 and HS common, so we will get this as our formula. 2H L plus B or B plus L is the lateral surface area. Now moving on to our next figure, that is total surface area of cube. As you know, a cube has all faces as a square, right? So we have a square over here, and we know the area of a square is side multiplied by side. So how many faces are there in a cube? So we have 6 faces are there in a cube. So for that we will get total surface area because of the 6 faces, and we know the area for one is side multiplied by side. So our formula is 6a square. And I have already told you that in lateral surface area we have to exclude its top and the bottom part, right? So if we are excluding its top and the bottom part, that means we are excluding 2 squares. So the area of one square is side multiplied by side, and the area of other is side multiplied by side. That means we are excluding 2 side square from 6 side square. So we are left with 6 minus 2, that is 4 side square. So I hope you will understand this. Now moving on to our next figure, that is TSA of cylinder. TSA of cylinder. So in cylinder we have, how we can calculate its total surface area. So first of all we draw the figure of a cylinder. So this would be its figure. So as you can see, we have 2 circles, that is one at the top and one at the bottom. So we know the area of circle. Area of circle, that is pi r square. Since we have 2 circles, so the area of this 2 circles is, we have to multiply it with 2, that is we will get 2 pi r square. And what about this circular part in the center? We have to find out the area of that part also, right? So if we are drawing its net, so its net will become like this. Okay, so we have 2 circles and in the center we have a rectangle. Since it is in circular shape over here, so we know the circumference of the circle is, circumference of circle, that is equals to 2 pi r. Since it is arriving some height over here, so it has height h. So the total area for this part, that is this part, is 2 pi r h. So if we are calculating the total surface area of cylinder, we will get 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square for the 2 circles. Now if we take 2 pi and r as common, so we will get r plus h in bracket. So this is the total surface area of cylinder. Next is curved surface area, that is CSA of cylinder. Earlier I have told you why we'll name this as curved surface area, because this figure is made up of curved lines. So it is named as curved surface area. But in earlier concept, we have studied about lateral surface area of the figures. Why? Because it is made up of line segments, not curved line. So that will imply we have to study about lateral surface area in that. Now, curved surface area of cylinder is, so we have to calculate only the center part. That means we are neglecting its top and the bottom part. In top part we have a circle, and in bottom part we have a circle. So neglecting that part, that means we have to neglect these two circles. So we are left with this part, that is 2 pi r h is the curved surface area of cylinder. I hope you will understand this whole concept. So if you like this video, like, subscribe and share it with your friends so that they will also gain this knowledge. Thanks. Bye bye.